Hello! Thanks for connecting with a youth worker from the Cardiff Youth Service.
So today is the UN Human Rights Day, the 10th of December, and we are here at Llanover Hall trying to celebrate this day with the key decision makers and authorities within Cardiff.
I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. Picked up my shovel and walked with mine. Turned back, number 9, oh that's true, said well, a blessing my soul, you know.
It's Human Rights Day today, and I think that human rights are really important because they affect us in our everyday life more than we can even imagine.
Austerity, as it seems to be called, is affecting so many things that affect so many people. And of course it's going to have an impact on young people. So it's good to see them engaging with those issues and finding their voice to speak up.
I remember feeling confused about what was being said about my family. I know they weren't perfect, but they were still my parents.
I'm nervous, but I'm so glad I'm getting tested.
It's great. I can just walk straight into the young person's clinic to get my contraception.
It's great that George from Shot is covering me today.
We were approached by some local artists, the Modern Alchemists, and they came to us with this building they'd found in town. It was a huge space, not being used by the council, and they wanted to take it over and change it into a massive art gallery with events. We're really trying to use their passion and their drive to actually make the project work.
On this Renew Worlds project, we were trying to make some furniture for the abacus out of pallets that we found dotted around Cardiff.
Wrth bod yn rhan o'r prosiect Gofalu Ifanc, rwy'n derbyn cymorth yn yr ysgol.
By being part of the Young Carers Project, I feel that people understand me more.
By being part of the Young Carers, I get to meet new friends and go on activities. By being part of the Young Carers Project, I don't feel so lonely anymore.